Hi, this is Anthony from okplay.com, and today we're checking out the VR cover halo protectors for the Oculus Quest 2. These are silicone material covers that wrap around the sensor ring of your Quest 2 controller and just generally keep it protected from any knocks, scrapes or bumps that you might make with the touch controllers. If you find yourself hitting surfaces regularly or just generally hitting walls or even dropping them on the floor, you might want to consider putting some of these rubber covers around your touch controllers. Not only do they protect your controllers from getting marked if you've got coloured walls, but they also help protect anything that is getting hit by these controllers thanks to their silicone rubber material. They're very easy to install. They just go around all elements of the sensor ring here, so all these LED lights have got their various bits cut out so that they can actually still emit and allow full use of the tracking on the Quest 2 controllers. You also have this little ridge here which keeps the rubber attachment really firm and solid, and you also got inner ridged lips here that sort of prevent the silicone cover from moving on the actual sensor ring itself. So that's quite handy too. The way it's been molded is very precise. I really think it looks great. It looks almost like it's part of the plastic. The color is also a great match too. So it just feels like it's part of the controller itself. There is a small little ridge here that your finger kind of like hits, makes the finger come out slightly. So if you find it hard to reach the trigger button itself, that might cause a problem. But if you've got long enough hands, I've got average size hands, that will actually not cause too much of a problem. And I think personally I'd rather have the protection than not having it on at all, really. So I think these are really good covers to help not only protect the things that you're hitting, but to also help protect the controller as well, should it be dropped or hit. There's just a little bit of extra protection that these covers will give you, and prolong the life of your controllers basically, and stop them from being smacked and cracked. Alright, so let's see how easy it is to install these covers, and then we'll return with our views and opinions of them. Right, so we have our right controller here. Vanilla, nothing else on it other than the stickers that we put on. And here is the halo protector that you get from VR cover. Obviously check out which one you're going to put on, so make sure it's the right one for the right controller. And basically it's a simple case of making sure that this is around the lip of, there's like a little ridge here and there's a little ridge on the inside here. So make sure that that is all placed on top, and then push that over the top, and then you grab the end of the ring and force it over the top of the actual controller itself. Making sure that, see, I've got a little catch here, make sure all that stuff is on the outside of the ring, and then lever that over, and then basically mold it into place. All the little ridges, you can see a ridge there, it's not over, so push that over and it all kind of clips into place, even though it's rubber. And then you've got the inside here, make sure that is over the ring, and that's it pretty much. Just make sure that's all positioned, and there you have it. That's the ring fully attached and you're good to go. All right, so we've checked out the installation of one of them, so you can actually at least see how easy it is to get these covers onto your controller. I think it looks great. It really is easy to apply them. I don't know the particular price of these just yet because this is pre-release versions of these. We're under embargo at the moment of this recording, so I don't fully know the full price of how much these will retail for. I also don't know if these are actually going to come in various colours. That'd be quite cool if you could see different colours between different handles, so you can know exactly which is left and which is right. That might be quite cool. Or if you just want to change the colour of them, and you can have different colour color covers on your controllers too. But I think the color being white is perfect. I don't think I'd want to have any other color personally. And I've got these stickers on here to tell me which one is left and right easily as well. There's a small indication at the top to tell you if one is left and one is right, but it's because it's the same color, it's quite hard to see that. But if these sell for a reasonable price, I think they're an absolute winner. And if you want to help protect your controllers, I think you should definitely check these out. Alright, I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, give us a like and consider subscribing to all of our future content. And I'll see you on the next one. Cheers. Bye.